Every car has a story to tell, and someone needs to tell it, but the challenge is doing it in 60 seconds. This is 0 to 60.
My name is Doreen Crummels. I'm from Cruis'n, Michigan. I have a 1956 Thunderbird. The color is sage green. It's original factory color, about 4% in production, about 500 remain. My husband bought it for me last year for our first wedding anniversary gift. We bought it in South Carolina. It's a wonderful car. It's got a 312 engine, 12 volt. We put disc brakes on. It's got power windows and power seats. It's a great car. I love the car. I don't park it and just let it sit in the garage. I do drive it. I enjoy it. When I go out cruising in my Thunderbird, I do dress to the car. Always have green outfits or white, whatever matches the car, and I only listen to 50s music on the radio. That's all I'll listen to. So this car in 1956 raced against a 1956 Corvette. Believe it or not, and the Corvette only beat it by 1/10 of a second.